Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at a small component with a big impact, the riser flashing screw. No more rivets. Now it's time for proper screwing. The flashing screw is the perfect solution for all edge parts on the roof or on the facade. Whether verge angles, eaves flashings, corner claddings, or stiffeners. Anything that needs to be fastened quickly, cleanly, and securely. You may have already noticed, the flashing screw is a bimetal self-drilling screw made of steel and stainless steel A2 with a small delicate pan head. This not only ensures an attractive appearance, but also doesn't damage the vapor barrier. But what does Bimetal actually mean? It's actually quite simple. The screw is constructed from two different specialized types of steel. The drill tip and the first threads are made of hardened steel. This allows the screw to drill especially well through metal. Fast, clean, and without tool wear. The rest of the screw body, including the head of course, is made of stainless steel A2. This part is corrosion resistant and protects the screw from rust in the long term, even outdoors. Rivets? Oh, forget it. The flashing screw gets the job done faster and easier. And the best part? No pre-drilling and no special tools required. Over the course of many drilling processes, the tool wears out and becomes dull. There's a high risk that the drills will then wander and damage the edge part. Furthermore, when pre-drilling, the drill chuck can strike the edge part and cause it to dent. Replacing the edge part would then be necessary. Pre-drilling produces large drill chips. These, along with the many rivets and worn-out drills, have to be collected and disposed of in an additional work step. The reduced drill tip ensures a small drill diameter and thus guarantees high retention force even in thin materials. The SIP20 drive, a little tip. The drive is conveniently included within every single pack, effectively prevents any unwanted wobbling while you are screwing in the screw, and ensures that you achieve the maximum possible power transmission. The locking serration protects against over-tightening in thin sheet metal, which means greater processing safety. Of course, the flashing screw is available from us in various RAL colors. But now let's do it for real. Now it's time to screw it in. Once you position it correctly, the SIP bit engages immediately. Bam! No dents, no scratches, and absolutely no slipping. Just perfectly precise. So if you want to fasten edge parts quickly, cleanly, and permanently, then the riser flashing screw is exactly your flawless screw. Forget rivets, forget all those problems. Just screw it in and you're done. So if you want it done cleanly, then it's riser. Why? Because you're not a rivet. See you at the next talk.